In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine effects in Clipchamp so you can create more dynamic, professional-looking videos with layered visual styles. If you've ever wondered whether you can use more than one effect on the same clip, the answer is yes, and I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to stack effects, adjust their settings, and fine-tune your video for the perfect look. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either start a brand new project or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once your project is open, make sure your media is already added to the timeline. If it's not, simply drag and drop your video clip from the media library down onto the timeline so we can begin editing. Next, click on the part of the video in the timeline where you want to combine effects. This step is important because effects in Clipchamp are applied to individual clips. When you click on the clip, you'll see it become highlighted, which confirms that it's selected. Make sure you're selecting the correct clip if you have multiple layers or multiple segments in your timeline. With your clip selected, move over to the right-hand Properties panel and click on the Effects tab. This is where you'll find all the available visual effects that Clipchamp offers. Depending on your version, you may see options like blur, glitch, VHS, slow zoom, black and white, and many more creative filters. This is where the magic happens. Now, click on the first effect you want to add. As soon as you click it, the effect will automatically apply to your selected clip. If the effect includes adjustable settings, you'll see sliders appear underneath it. These sliders allow you to control things like intensity, speed, position, or strength depending on the effect. Take a moment to adjust these sliders until you're happy with how the first effect looks. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to experiment. Once you're satisfied with the first effect, you can now combine it with a second one. Simply scroll through the effects list again and click on another effect you'd like to apply. Clipchamp allows multiple effects to stack on the same clip, so the second effect will layer on top of the first one. Just like before, if the second effect has sliders or customization options, adjust them to fine-tune the look. You'll notice that both effects work together, creating a combined visual style. This is especially useful if you want to, for example, add a subtle blur and then apply a color filter, or combine a VHS effect with a slow zoom for a cinematic retro feel. The key is balance. If your video starts to look too intense or overprocessed, go back and reduce the slider intensity on one or both effects until everything looks clean and professional. You can continue experimenting by turning effects on and off to compare the before and after. This helps you understand how each layer contributes to the final result. If you ever want to remove an effect, simply deselect it or reset its settings in the panel. And that's it. That's how you combine effects in Clipchamp. It's a simple process. Select your clip, go to Effects, choose your first effect and adjust it. Then choose your second effect and fine-tune that as well. Layering effects properly can completely transform your videos and give them a polished, unique style. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.